I'm the name carved in lightning, the fist that strikes the sky, the last roar of the dying storm, the fire in the cry. You can chain the earth, you can cage the flame, but you'll never chain my name. I'm the lyric watch, I'm steel, I'm free, I'm the storm they couldn't tame. And tear down kings, I wear the sky like broken wings. I don't know you peace, I don't know you grace. I ride the surge, I own this place. Fire lord burns, crag ring grows, mind grinder dreams and rainbow flows. But me, I fight, I stand, I scream, I build my court from shattered dreams. Call me fury, call me fight, call me wrong, but I'm still right. They tried to drown me, tried to chain, but I broke free through all the rain. I'm the name carved in lightning, the anthem of the wild, the rebel beat, the broken creed, the unrepentant shout. You can stop the flood, you can halt the flame, but you'll never chain my name. I'm a lyric watch, I'm steel, I'm free, I'm the storm they couldn't tame. Alaric Watts, the boy they left steal, the storm they still regret. I wasn't made to serve or sway, I was born to tear the chains away. I'm the name carved in lightning, the fury that won't fall, the runaway king who shattered things, the hurricane that calls. You can break my wings, you can curse my fame, but you'll never erase my name. I'm a lyric watch, I'm steel, I'm free, I'm the storm they couldn't tame.